All right, we are trying to find the rule for this pattern here, which is a little bit more complicated than our usual linear patterns. So the instructions on a certain brand of drench for drenching cattle red is 8 milliliters for up to 100 kilograms, then 2 milliliters for every 100 kilograms thereafter. All right, so we've got at 100 kilograms, 8 milliliters, and then it goes up in twos for cattle of 150 kilograms maximum weight. We'll use 10 milliliters for and so on. So for that purpose, I've redone this table because I like them vertically more than horizontal. And I've left some space at the top initially. So I enter what I need for a maximum weight of 100 kilograms. I need 8 milliliters. For 150, I need 10. For 200, I need 12 because it goes up in 2. Because as it goes up in 2, that tells me that the gradient must be 2. Therefore, m is 2. And now I try to find the pattern 0. So I see that this go in increments of 50 kilograms. The next one down from 100 kilograms is this one here of 50 kilograms, and then is 0. And for each one of those, if I go down in twos, I've got for 50 kilograms, I've got 6 milliliters, and for 0, I've got 4 milliliters. Finding the pattern 0 gives me the y-intercept, yes, or delta. Now, delta is part of this formula here, which I need to work out in the end. All right. Now, as now I know at least one of the two things I don't know in the formula are the square and the delta. And now I take some values from the table, like I need 10 millimeters when D is equal to 10 millimeters, W is going to be equal to 150, and delta is 4, and that is always in the formula. Yes, here. That stays the same all the time. And now I substitute those values into the formula that I have been given, and I've got 10 equals 150 over, I put an x instead of the square because that's something I need to work out, times 2 plus delta, which was 4. I move the 4 to the other side, and that gives me 10 minus 4 is 300 over x. And now 10 minus 4 is 6. 300 by what? Divide by what is 6. X is 50. And now I can write my equation with all the values included. D equals W over 50 times 2 plus 4. So I've got the square and I've got the triangle delta. Okay, that's my equation. Now the next thing they are asking us to do is what dosage is required to drench a 538 kilogram bull. So let's have a look at this. All right, now I would be tempted to say, all right, W is 538 kilograms. Therefore, the dosage is going to be W over 50 times 2 plus 4, which is 538, introduce that, over 50 times 2 plus 5. But in the text, they say that there are range of weight between 101 and 150, between 151 and 200. So they go into 50 kilograms. There is nothing to suggest that I will go up here. So the next one after 300 would be 350, then 400, 450, 500, 550, and so on. 538 would be between 501 and 550. So I choose the maximum weight of that range, which is 550 for this purpose, and which is also divisible by 50. 550 divided by 50 is 11. And now I've got D is equal to 550 divided by 50 times 2 plus 4, which is 11 times 2 plus 4, 22 plus 4. That's 26 milliliters of solution. And that's how you work it. Thank you very much for watching.